All right. See if we can. That's it. Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it. So, now if I get too excited, all right, the first one I want to try on is this coat. Try on this coat. This coat is tough. This coat is tough, bro. Like you can see it, right? You can tell that it's not just all brown. Not just all brown. Hold on. Got this shit on. Come on. Barely that. Come on. This coat on fire, bro. Stop fucking playing. Stop playing. That's one. That's one. So, let's go to the second jacket. Just a second. This is the one that really got me excited. This is the one that really got me excited. So, this one. I like myself in that other one better though. Actually, if I say when think about sitting and looking at it, I like myself. This is it's still a cop though. I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, that even just a line on the middle, bro. It'd be the simplest shit for me. It'd be the simplest shit for me, bro. Alright. That's that one. And then let's try the vest on. You see, you know what? Let me see if I really want to do with the vest. The vest, bro. Hold up. If I want to take this, I'm trying to figure out if I want to take this out. I might try this other one on. We'll see. Let me see something real quick. We got this black shirt. We got this black shirt. You see that side right there? It's the simplest thing. The simple things. Small things. The small things matter. The small things matter. Very open sleeve here. Open sleeve. And then yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I just rock with it. It's just the style and the aesthetic. And so it's like a shirt, but yeah, it's just a shirt. It's just a shirt. Quarter zip, I think they will call it. I think they will call it a quarter zip. One more. And then last one to try is this shirt right here. I actually really like this shirt too. Oh look, can we show them? Yeah, you see the Bugs Bunny that I painted? Yeah. Nothing too crazy, guys. It's nothing too crazy. Slight shift. It's like how often can you wear black? So, but you see, it has that pocket right here. I really fuck with that. I really fuck with that pocket. But as far as on me, I like the other shirt on me a little bit better. And then the last thing was the shoes. Last thing was